everyone, this is Yogita Chetri, a second semester B.Ed trainee of Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College, and my method paper is English. Today I am going to deal with the poem of William Shakespeare, and this is very interesting poem. Okay, this poem deals with the life of the people, and it shows how the life of the people starts and how it ends. Okay, according to stage it shows us our life. Okay, so let's go through the poem. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exit and their entrance, and one man in his time play many parts, his acts being 7 ages. At first the infant, mewling and perking in the nurse's arm, then the winning schoolboy with the satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to school, and then the lover, slightly like furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow, then a soldier, full of strange oaths, and beard like a pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeing the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth, and then the justice, in fair round belly, with good capon lined, with eye severe and beard of formal cut, full of wise sirs and modern instincts, and so he plays his part. The sixth age shifts into the lean and supplied pantaloon, with spectacle on nose and pouch on side, his youthful horse well shaped, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice, turning again toward childish stable, and whistles in the sound, last scene of all, that ends this strange eventful stray, is second childishness and mere oblivious, sown teeth, sown eyes, sown taste, sown everything. In this poem, sown means without, okay, without teeth, without eyes, without taste, and without everything, it is said. So this is the poem where the Shakespeare has shown that according to him we have to spend our life in the 7 stages. Okay, stage by stage. First we will born, then we started going to school, we become matured, we become the lover, we become the parents. Okay, and last we became the child again, and we will die. That means the end of our life. Okay, according to this sequence he have described in the poem. So this is the poem where Shakespeare compares the entire world to the theatrical stage, where all the human beings perform their allotted role given by the god. Okay, we are here to play the role in the play which is given by God to us. Whatever he has made for us, we have to play the same. According to the poet it is said like that. Okay, every individual has to go through 7 acts, that are 7 stages of man's life. Okay, 7 ages means the 7 stages of our life which we have to go through. Okay, so in stanza 1, the first stage, okay, in this first stage what we will become, in this phase of his life, man appears as a child in the world. As a child he is helpless creature, he cries in the arms of his nurse for one reason or other, he cries and vomits. Okay, this is the first stage where the child has born now. Okay, he does not know anything, he knows to cry only, not more than that. Okay, poet is saying that he is a child to the world. Okay, so in the second stage, in this phase of life, man appears as a child in the world. He goes to school with a bag hanging from his shoulder. He goes to school creeping like a snail. He marches to school unwillingly. Now the child had become grown up. Okay, in the second stage he started going to school where he did not like to go to school. Okay, so creeping like a snail means unwillingly the child is going to school in this stage, second stage. Okay, and in third stage of our life, a man plays a part of a lover. He grows into a young man full of desires, ambitions, and dreams. He becomes a romantic young man. He falls in love and sight like a furnace. He begins to write sad poems to his beloved, and he cannot control his sad feelings. Okay, now now here that child is now grown up. Okay, he become lover. Okay, where he has full of ambitions, desires, this to do, that to achieve, this to achieve. In this stage he become like this. Okay, where he fall in love with his or her lover. Okay, where they are not able to control their emotions. They used to write poems, and they used to write their thoughts, write diary writing and all, where they express their feelings and their emotions. Okay, now in fourth stage, man becomes a foul-mouthed soldier who has learned queer words. At this stage, he tries to give himself a formidable look with a beard like a part. He is emotional and jealous. He quarrels with others for his honor and grace. He hankers after temporary and bubble frame. Now, he becomes mature enough. Okay, now he looks for the way how to achieve his or her goal. Okay, what are the ways he or she should follow? It will be foul or it will be fair. It depends on the person's to person's thinking and his thought. Okay, so in this stage, fourth stage, only they will be concentrated towards their goal, what they have prepared. Okay, so they will after the goal only, how to achieve, what will be the way and what to choose to achieve that goal. Now in the fifth stage of his life, he becomes a judge. He becomes mature and experienced in his life and thoughts. The heat of youth has completely cooled down, and he becomes very realistic. He wishes to grab wealth by foul or fair means. He begins to accept bribe and thus adds much to his material comfort. He becomes ease-loving and therefore becomes fat. His belly becomes round. He eats healthy fowls and chicken presented to him as bribe. His eyes become severe and he grows the beard of formal cut. Now the person become mature enough, okay, where he thinks about his future, what to do, his family life. Okay, like the parents, how the parents think for their child, in that same way he used to think for his family, for his mother and father, for his children, about their studies, about their future. Okay, he will be busy in that, in the sixth stage. Okay, so now in the seventh stage or sixth stage of his life, man grows old. He looks quite ridiculous in his movements. He wears glasses because his eyesight is weak. His nose becomes wide for his feet. His voice suffers a change. It becomes a shrill of queering whistle. Okay, now in the sixth stage, the man becomes old, where he have completed his like his problems, where the days are coming to end, means in the old days. Okay, he has nothing to do in that age. Okay, whatever he is getting or she is getting, or whatever is given to him or her by others, he will be or she will be happy in that moment only, because he or she is not able to do anything, because they are in the old days now. Okay, so in the final stage, the man turns into a child once again. He seems to forget everything. He becomes toothless. His eyesight is weakened and he is deprived of taste. He is ready to leave his world. Now, in the final stage, okay, the man turns child again, means he is toothless, okay, because of age, and he used to forget everything. Sense is not working properly, mind or brain is not working properly because of age. Okay, now everything has come to an end. So that means poet is saying, now in the seventh stage of our life, we are ready to leave the world, means we are ready to die now. Okay, so we can conclude poem in this way. In each stage, man imagines himself great and important. Each stage is important for us, from our childhood to our old age. Okay, first the child will born, and then he used to go to school, and then in teenage he or she will come, then after teenage we will be mature enough for our to think about our goals, achievement. Okay, and after that we will play the role of the parents, where we have to think about others, not for us. Okay, and in the final stage, where we conclude all the things and we come to an end of our life, that is the end of our ages or end of our life. Okay, so in this way we can conclude a poem. This is very interesting poem, okay, where we can get a chance to learn about how we have passed our ages, how we turn old, how we come to the end of our life. Okay, in this poem we come to know about all the things. So this is the very interesting poem written by William Shakespeare. Okay, hope you all like it. Thank you.